Good morning, investors. Welcome to the last day of July, 31st of July 2014. The trade for today is called Billiton. Code is BIL, and the last trade price on this specific share was R370.35. The action is to go to a short, so the objective is to trade from a high to a low. Entry level is R371.54. So expecting as it breaks this dotted blue line here, it will actually go lower to the green line, and that target will be R360.25. The stop loss level regards to this trade is R377.18. Current open trade is called PSG Lonman. Investec is out of the trade. The call was on the 23rd of July and the execution happened on the 30th of July. It was a short trade. The entry level was 96.93. The target was 93.25, and they got out of the trade yesterday with a profit of 3.8%. Looking at the top 40 shares, the blue line is the index movement. Currently coming down, breaking the 20-day moving average and the 5-day moving average coming down as well. Let's go and look at the Dow Jones, that's the American markets. Last night they closed on the level of 16,880 points. They came down 31 points on the close of last night. At a stage they were about 70 points down, but some good results came out and it pushed it up a bit in the short term. Looking at the blue line here, we had a green line of support here in the double bottom here, support, and it came down, starting to break it down, also breaking the green Bollinger 21-day moving average down as well, and looking at the Bollinger Band in the green line also breaking down. So the next support level, if it would love to come down, is on a level of 16,856 rand points, not rand, points. And it could test on the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and that's the purple line there, regards to the Fibonacci. So there's a bit of a downside forming here at this moment. Going to the J200, and that's the top 40 shares, you can actually see yesterday we had a bit of a slight sell-off as well, and testing the green Bollinger Band as support, and the support level here as support. The expectation is trading on 46,591 points at this moment. Still, 46,200 is a huge support level close to these levels here. If it will break it, the next low could be 45,818. Now, the next day or two, data is coming out from the US markets, especially tomorrow's payroll figures. That's the job figures. We need to track closely as well. Looking at some shares. Here's Shoprite. Now, looking at Shoprite here, tested is R165.95, currently trading at R163.53. Current low level being tested in the short term is R162.90. Was an upward channel, now currently trading in a sideways channel. There's low, 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 high, high, high. That's a sideways channel. Put it on a week chart, you will actually see there's the confirmation on the blue line on Shoprite. That's going sideways. So this is a confirmation of a sideways movement or pattern. Please keep it lows high of 162.90 and a high of 165.95. Mr. Price. Mr. Price still positive at this moment. Still trading between the green and the red Bollinger Band. Still positive. Do lose a lot of momentum here, but not indications of big fall or sell-off happening on this specific trade as yet. Looking at Woolies. Now Woolies is trading at 82.99. Came a bit from the 84 rand levels. You can see the support line if you draw it further up. It's actually testing it. Still in the trading range on a sideways pattern between 81 rand 22 and a high of 80 rand 67. So that's the sideways pattern. At any time, if it breaks this green Bollinger Band here in the middle, then you can see downside. Expectation is still in the sideways movement here. Truworths. Now, Truworths did complete a small pattern of the head and shoulder pattern forming here. Very small pattern. Still in a sideways pattern, trading between 73.98 and 76.74. Banking shares, Barclays Bank, dividends been paid yesterday of £4. Share lost a bit of momentum here, as you can see, coming a bit down here, trading at 169 rand 10 at this moment. Current low level here is about 167 rand 15 cents. If it wants to come down in this partial cycle between the green line and the red line. Standard Bank still in the sideways pattern, did test it high, came down, now trading in the middle of the Bollinger Band. You're going to put this on a weekly chart. Look at this. Still there is the sideways pattern happening there. Nothing concrete happening. MTN. Downward cycle. Sideways cycle. Trading between the two blue lines sideways. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 highs, 1, 2 highs. On the middle of the green pattern here, trading at a level of 223.20. Current low to be tested is about 221. Looking at some indicators, there's a bit of a downside happening here. This one is showing up on the stochastics, and the RSI also coming down. Normally the stochastics is a bit late in the confirmation, but still in the sideways pattern, nothing major happening here. Barloworld. Now Barloworld also trading sideways, from a high sideways at this moment. Vodacom also sideways between the green and the purple line, showing a bit of indication of sideways and a bit of downside happening here. In Imperial, now Imperial did very well, still in the upward channel here. Cycles, huge cycles, and some of the cycles are getting smaller. So we need to confirm if this is going to be played out as a head and shoulder pattern. Now to work this out is there's the leg, there's the shoulder, there's the head. At any time it breaks this low here of 196.66, could jump up, but if it breaks it down, next low could be back here to the 189.85. Look at the Bollinger Band starting to fall off. Looking at some indicators, some downward side is happening here on this specific trade as well, confirmed by stochastics and confirmed by RSI. So you could see some, most probably a bit of downside in this specific share as well. Enjoy your day.